Oh, I love griddles. Look how massive it is too. You can do all kinds of stuff on here. Hey, I'm Randy with BBQGuys, and today we're checking out the Blaze LTE PRO Griddle. It's supposed to be the heaviest griddle in its class, so let's see if it's worth its weight. With a reinforced heavy-duty stainless steel cooking surface that can be adjusted by integrated level screws and an instantly accurate digital temperature, this griddle brings professional-grade performance right to your backyard. This is the Blaze LTE PRO 40-inch griddle on a freestanding cart. It's also available as a built-in for your outdoor kitchen. A stainless steel lid protects the cooking surface from weather elements, and it's attached to remove the inconvenience of storing when preparing to use the griddle. The lid is lifted using a spring assist mechanism for tension control for smooth, effortless operation. Plus, the ergonomic handle rotates for added ease of use. Cushioned sound dampeners prevent the lid from ever slamming closed. And large peepholes on either side of the griddle also allow for a safe and clear monitoring of the burners. The LTE PRO Griddle surface is constructed of reinforced 8mm thick 304 grade stainless steel, providing exceptional heat distribution and long-lasting durability. Combine that heavy-duty restaurant-quality construction with a 40-inch surface area, and you'll see why this griddle is the heaviest in its class. Just as impressive, this griddle features integrated leveling screws that can lift the rear of the surface to adjust to the food being cooked. Perfect for managing grease, whether draining it or reusing across the cooking surface. Under the flat top are 3 stainless steel U-shaped burners that each deliver 15,000 BTUs for effective and efficient cooking power across the griddle surface. These burners are lit by a reliable push-and-turn flamethrower ignition system that delivers a fast start every time. When it comes to cleanup, a full-size front-facing drip trough makes grease management safe and easy, especially with auto seating that locks the trough in place. The LTE PRO's control panel features non-slip LED knob lights with temperature indicators that shine red when the gas is flowing for safety and visibility at night. With advanced heat control, you can cook in 3 independent zones, offering you the flexibility to make different dishes at different temperatures all at once. Thanks to the thermocouples located directly beneath the cooking surface, the digital temperature screen instantly and accurately displays temperatures from those 3 cooking zones, as well as the 3 included meat probes. That way, you can consistently make the most out of this restaurant caliber cooker right in the comfort of your backyard. You can be frying bacon on one side and then sauteing some seafood on the other side at a different temperature all at the same time. The freestanding cart for the LTE PRO Griddle is situated on 4 heavy-duty locking caster wheels for safe, simple mobility. The cart includes a single access door that opens to a sturdy internal shelf for convenient storage and a rollout drawer designed for a standard propane tank. Both the door and drawer are mounted by soft close hinges for smooth operation, and the internal compartments feature lights for increased visibility when opened. The freestanding cart also comes with 2 foldable side shelves, perfect for meal prep or simply expanding your work surface. All Blaze grills include interchangeable propane and natural gas orifices, so switching from one gas to the other is quick and easy and won't require a separate gas conversion kit. The LTE PRO Griddle is backed by the brand's best-in-class lifetime warranty, so you can purchase knowing it'll be covered even after thousands of cooks. For those interested, this Blaze collection also features the LTE PRO Gas Grill, the most advanced Blaze model yet. Available now. Thanks for watching today. Stay tuned for more expert reviews, and remember, at BBQGuys, life is better in your backyard.